Verifying your Cash App account is essential for ensuring security and accessing all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download and open Cash App. Start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Enter your personal information. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. This information is crucial for account verification. Step 3. Link your bank account. To verify your account, you need to link a bank account or debit card. Go to the Banking tab and follow the prompts to add your bank details securely. Step 4. Verify your identity. Cash App may request additional information to verify your identity. This could include your social security number, date of birth, and a photo ID. Follow the instructions to submit this information. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, wait for Cash App to review and confirm your account. You will receive a notification once your account is verified, allowing you to access all features. Once you've completed these steps, your Cash App account should be successfully verified, enabling you to use the app with confidence.